do dishes.
We stay tuned with Mr. Simon Shoemaker. He's been asleep what seems like forever today, and now he's wide awake. He's full. He's just out.
It has the hiccups.
Got the hiccups, but content as can be.
Oh, just a boy. Hiccup. Hiccups.
Oh, yeah. Not a problem in the world.
See what's going on. Oh, I know. Did his hair out of place? Oh, I know. He's a pretty boy. Yeah.
We'll show Grandma this tomorrow. Say she came at the wrong time.
Because you were wide awake, huh? You are. They let that sun go down, and the baby wakes up. The baby wakes up, huh? Yeah. I feel like you're hungry again. Hmm. You gonna try eating it a little bit again?
Oh,
Oh, just a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, eat on my hand. Looking all around.